Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from Skill Builder, and I've been invited down today to sunny Basingstoke, where I'm visiting a company called IOBAC, and I've got Paul and I've got Ian, who are basically, you're the owners of the company, aren't you? Directors, whatever?
Yep, directors,
You're the head guys anyway.
Yep.
So they've got this amazing product, which I already know a little bit about, but they're just going to take you through it and tell you what it is and what the benefits are. So,
Okay.
it's a flooring product.
It is. What we have is a very fast setting resin, was the original product. It's a polyaspartic resin that combines with the ferrosilicon additive that metallizes any floor. It goes down, it sets within an hour and a half. Then you put on top of that a luxury vinyl tile or a carpet tile that has a magnetized back. So the tiles get dry laid on top of the resin, and then basically that grabs with an amazing horizontal shear. So that's using LVT. So the choices are you can magnetize your LVT, or you'd use an adhesive on a luxury vinyl tile. You can click, or you can tackify a loose lay luxury vinyl tile. What our solution does is lay a resin down, and it's very fast setting, an hour and a half it will go off. And then you put down either a magnetically backed tile or an ordinary 4mm loose lay tile with one of our mag tabs. So the mag tab has an adhesive top and a magnetic bottom, combines the top surface horizontally, bonds it vertically via magnetism. The beauty is that it can go down on many substrates as long as they're down and sound. So it can go on directly onto terrazzo. And then you can get the product off easily from the terrazzo. It can go down on polished concrete. Again, you can take it off. It can go down on down and sound vinyl. So you don't need to take up your ceramic. You don't need to take up your vinyl. You can go over it as long as you take out the grout lines, so that you don't get any telegraphing.
It sounds to me as if you're onto a winner. We've looked at a lot of products on Skill Builder over the years, and I'm not always sure which ones are going to take off and which ones aren't actually, but if I was a gambling man, I'd put money on this. And you're obviously supplying this to manufacturers of floors. You're not doing anything.
No, so we're about the technology. So we're getting manufacturers to take this up and distribution chains to take this up. We are a technology company.
Yeah. So the likelihood is that in the future, if you go in to buy flooring, this will be an option that you'll be offered.
It will provide you with a huge amount of flexibility, help with the damp subfloors, and enable you to change your floors in an instant.
The future. The end of glue.
The future of flooring today.
Glue manufacturers,
beware.
Beware, take fright. All right, thanks very much for allowing me to come down with it.